Hey guys, this is Om and welcome to Civil Raja, your gateway to future. So guys, we have started a series where we are studying the architectural plan of a hospital, and after this we are going to study a lot of things like the structural drawing, electrical drawing, and even the plumbing drawings will be studied in this series. So guys, if you want to learn all these things, then you have to do just a small thing, and what is that? You have to simply subscribe to Civil Raja, which is this channel. And if you find this video informative, then also hit the like button to this video and share this video with your friends and colleagues. Now, guys, we are going to our architectural plan. So I am just going to share my screen with you. And guys, we have already studied the basement floor and the ground floor. Okay, now we are going to study the first floor over here. So in the last plan, you have must have studied that we have this stair which is for the patients and their relatives. So we can just reach to the first floor through these stairs, and we also have the provision of the lift. The dimension of the lift is obviously the same as in the ground floor because it will be same overall, and which is 6 feet by 8 feet. Okay, now this lift is also like built in such a way that we can also shift the bed with the patient through this lift. Okay, now once you will reach it to this platform, you will find that we have the patient waiting area on both the side, on the left hand side and on the right hand side. However, the purpose of the patients can be different. Like over here we have the uh, eco room which is having the dimension of 9 feet 6 inches by 14 feet 4 inches, and the ECG room, and then there is also extra room which the hospital owners can use according to their need. Okay, and this room is having the space of 9 feet 7 inch by 13 feet. Okay, now over here the patients can wait through them, and on this side so we have the chambers, and you can see this is having the dimension of 9 feet 3 inches by 8 feet 10 feet 8 inches for all these two, for both of these rooms. And for this one, this dimension is a little like more than the others. It is 9 feet 6 inches by 10 feet 8 inches. Okay, so we have approx 9 nine and a half feet by 10-11 feet of the area over here. Okay, now these three chambers are there where we can just like accommodate any patients who want to get admitted in the hospital. And then we have to just move over here, and you can see just in the front of the staircase we have our reception which is having the space of 15 feet 10 inches by 14 feet 6 inches, which is a very good space. Okay, now we have another patient waiting area over here. And what kind of patients can wait over here? These patients can belong to anyone who is in need of the x-ray, or you want to like give a sample. So this is the collection room of 9 feet 4 inches by 13 feet 9 inches. And then we have the USG room of 10 feet by 13 feet 9 inches. And over here we can see that this is a toilet which is directly attached to this USG room. Also, we have another storeroom over here, and we also have common toilet area over here. So all the toilet is having the decent space of 4 feet 3 inches by 8 feet. Okay, so normally the sizes are around that. This one is having 5 feet by 8 feet. This is having 4 feet 10 inches by 8 feet. Okay, so according to the space available, we have a like designed all these things. Now we can see on this side, so we have this x-ray room which is having the charging room and the control room inculcated in this one. We also have the dark room and the toilet attached to this one. Then we have the x-ray table, and over here we have this chest placed over here. Okay, now we have this area which is taking us down to the ground floor through this staircase. Okay, so I hope in this small uh, fraction of time you have understood everything that is related to the architectural plan of the hospital for the first floor, which is like obviously for this project only. And obviously if you want to like design, or you can say you want to plan a hospital, then you can just watch this series and you will be able to notice that what should be the sizes of the room and what are the different rooms that you need to provide in a hospital. Okay, so with this I want to like make an announcement that if you want to join our professional training on how to plan the residential building, how to design it structurally, and how to make the 3D models is a beautiful one like this, then you can simply join our classes. Our professional training is already open, and you can find the details of the same in the description. Also, if you want to connect me through the WhatsApp or over call, then my number is 8433248864. I will repeat it again. It's 8433248864, and that number is also in description, so you can go ahead and check it out. Also guys, don't forget to mention how you have liked this video and what kind of video you want from me in the future, so that I can make the video on the same topic. So drop your comment and also like to this video, and subscribe to the Civil Raja. Thank you guys, we will meet soon.